order by the Honorable High Court was on a specific petition by the members who were charged for the incident that happened. I think the police had charged them under that charge and gone to the High Court. So what I understand is that the High Court has rightly observed that it is not to be charged under that section, but instead they have said that the charge should be under negligence, and hence the proceedings and inquiry should go on those charges. So I think fundamentally the High Court's observations and the order has to be seen in that light. It is regarding the specific petition by the association representatives as well as a few other people who were charged on the wrong charges filed. I think High Court has done the right thing by saying that, I think the police had gone to a little extreme by charging them under culpable homicide not amounting to murder. So now the court proceedings will, in the trial court, will proceed further on the charges of negligence. Okay, so that's part number one. I think in passing these orders and in making these observations, they have given some additional observations where they have, I think the judge has observed that, I think in residential communities, in group housing complexes, and wherever there are a lot of people living together, including children, and the risk to life needs to be protected for, and hence there should not be any negligence on that part. I think that is where they have referred to the obligations to institute certain safety precautions and measures which can become applicable to apartments as far as these kinds of facilities where some risk is concerned. Now, I think my view is that it has to be looked at in two terms. One is, I think what we should think about is how we can improve safety and security measures, so moto, as a part of the larger community responsibility. And that is not just limited to committee members or association. An association has all owners. So, and groups like ours and associations need to reflect upon and say, how do we create better and safer communities, especially for children, etc. And that will require certain measures to be implemented. The second part is in terms of what does this mean in terms of legal risk. Now, in this case, an association representative is now going through trial. Most of course, in all the communities, the association members, committee members play a voluntary role. So what does this mean to all those people who pick up a voluntary role, and what kind of legal risk that they entail is a big debate and question which is going on. We have also got a lot of inquiries saying that, if there is this risk and the courts and the law holds the committee members responsible for this, and it results in legal action, then is it even worth to be involved in such? So I think that is a big impact which it is causing. This requires to be discussed with the government. We have been requesting the government for now a few years, repeatedly saying that there has to be a comprehensive law which has to be updated, upgraded for the apartment ownership and management, which also should cover for what is the risk and what are the liabilities and responsibilities for management committee members, right? But unfortunately, government has not acted till now. I think these incidents are all reminders to have better legal framework, more up-to-date legal framework, so that everybody has clarity in terms of what does this mean.